Understanding footprints in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English word, footprints. You might think of the marks left by feet on a sandy beach or after walking in fresh snow, but there's more to this word than meets the eye. Footprints can be literal or metaphorical, and understanding the full range of their meanings will help you grasp the nuances of English better. So, let's step into the world of footprints together. The most straightforward meaning of footprints is the impressions or marks left by a person's or animal's feet. These marks can be made on various surfaces where a trace is left behind, such as in the mud, sand, or snow. When we talk about footprints in this sense, we are often referring to the visible trace that shows where someone has walked or stood. Beyond the literal meaning, footprints often carry a figurative significance. In a metaphorical sense, it can refer to the impact or impression one leaves on a place, a situation, or in their life. For example, when we talk about someone's carbon footprint, we're referring to the environmental impact their actions have in terms of carbon dioxide emissions. In business or digital analytics, a footprint can refer to the presence or scope of a company's operations or the extent of a website's reach on the internet. To help you understand how to use footprints in context, let's look at some example sentences. 1. The footprints in the hallway were a clear sign that the kids had been playing outside. 2. He wanted to leave a lasting footprint in the world of science with his research. 3. The company is working to reduce its carbon footprint to combat climate change. 4. As a detective, she noticed the footprints that led to the suspect's hiding place. In these sentences, footprints are used to express both literal and figurative meanings, which are important in understanding and conveying the concept correctly. There are several expressions and idioms that include the word footprints. For instance, following in someone's footprints means to follow someone's example or guidance. It's important to recognize these expressions to fully appreciate the richness of the English language. I hope this video has helped you to understand the different ways in which the word footprints can be used in English. Remember, whether they are on a path in the woods or as part of an expression, footprints can tell us a lot about where someone has been or the mark they've left behind. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English. See you next time.